Hey everyone, PAC PREZ here, and today I want to talk about a timely topic that affects everybody. The idea of tariffs on foreign imports and how they're affecting manufacturing in America, but more specifically, how they're affecting PACLOCK and how they're affecting our competition. But before I answer the question of how's it affecting PACLOCK, let's go ahead and take a look at how's it affecting our competition. And you can see here from a distributor's website that reps out just about everybody in our industry, there's a large tariff being put in place by our competition, who primarily brings in their products from overseas, whether it's Mexico or China. But getting back to PACLOCK and the question of what's PACLOCK doing, the simple answer is nothing. PACLOCK's proud to say that even with the tariffs going on, it doesn't impact our business and our costs that much, as we're producing products for you. So you can rest assured that as you buy from PACLOCK, we can move into the future supporting a great family business, supporting American manufacturing, a company that employs people with disabilities and veterans to get you great products produced here in the States with some global components. That's been a PAC PREZ Minute.